Making dessert here at the Young's house, and I am so excited to show you all how easy it is to make a delicious peanut butter cookie. The ingredients are so interesting. This recipe is so much fun to make. Whoever tastes them is going to love them, so make sure you make a lot. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some marshmallow fluff, and if you don't want to get this kind, you can always get the no-name brand. They taste the exact same. You're gonna need some peanut butter. Don't try to use the crunchy peanut butter because it doesn't work for this recipe. It has to be a creamy peanut butter, okay? And you're gonna need some chocolate chips, okay? So we have some chocolate chip morsels here. And you're gonna need a little bit of oil. I have the oil over here. Now, you're gonna need some of these type of crackers. These are called golden rounds, but you can get the Ritz if you want. Make sure your hands are clean. We're gonna make a peanut butter cookie you won't forget. Y'all are having a great day today, and if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe. Peanut butter cookies today, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the Ritz crackers and we're just gonna line them up just like so into a couple different rows. This peanut butter cookie recipe is my all-time favorite peanut butter cookie. Out of all of the peanut butter cookies in the world, this is it. I know there's really interesting ingredients, but it tastes so good. And somehow, after these are done, these Ritz crackers taste like a wafer. It is so good. You're just gonna have to trust me on this one. So we're gonna take our creamy peanut butter and we're going to put, you know, just a nice amount, but not too much. You don't want it to be thick, right? So we have it right there. And then we're gonna take some marshmallow fluff and we're gonna do the same thing onto this one, okay? I like to put a lot of this, not too much, but you get the gist, right? So now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sandwich the two together. How simple. Okay, we're going to continue to do all of these like this, and once we get all of our cookies that you want to have, we're going to put them on a cookie sheet, and then they go in the refrigerator because they got to set up, right? And then we take them out and we're going to do some more things to it. The weather, like, it is rainy here. It's gray outside. The birds are not singing today. The sky is gray and there's puddles of water everywhere. So that's what the weather's like where I'm at. So now let me hear from everybody in the comment section below. What is your all-time favorite cookie? If you could just have that cookie every single day for dessert, or you just love this cookie, tell me what your favorite cookie is, because this is mine. It's so easy to make, y'all. And when I tell you, get the kids in the kitchen to help you with this recipe, they're gonna have so many amazing memories of making this here recipe and sharing it with their families when they get older. This is fun. So now that we have our cookies, we're gonna take them, put them onto the cookie sheet, into a refrigerator so they can set up. I would say 45 minutes, a good 45 minutes, because we don't want these to fall apart. They do not get baked in the oven, okay? And when I come back, I'm gonna talk about how we're gonna make a chocolate sauce, because these get dipped into a chocolate sauce. I know. Cookies have had plenty of time to sit in the refrigerator and get nice and set up. And so I told y'all I was making a chocolate sauce. We're just basically melting the chocolate, okay? But we are gonna do something really interesting. I always like to put a little bit of vegetable oil on top of these chocolate chips before I melt them, because it's gonna give that chocolate a nice glossy look to it, right? We want it to look pretty. So I'm gonna use a bag and a half. Okay, and we started off in the microwave, of course, and I only put it on 20 seconds. 20 seconds, then I'm going in and stirring it. Maybe another 20 seconds, I'm gonna go in and stir it. If you overcook this in the microwave, you just need to throw it out, right? So really keep a good eye on it. How much oil am I gonna put in? Maybe a teaspoon, if that. Perfect. Let's get this into the microwave. Keep a good eye on it. Chocolate is nice and melted, so let me give you an idea what it looks like, just like so. And so now we're going to take our cookies that are nice and cold and they cannot come apart now. We're going to dip it, okay? You might have to get your hands a little messy, but what's great is you can wash your hands when you're done, right? You're going to let whatever excess drip off put it right onto your cookie sheet. This is so much fun. Here's the thing. I can't wait till you taste it. The taste is spectacular, y'all. You won't believe. You're going to be like, okay, so how does this taste like the best cookie in the world? I know. And we use crackers. It's wild. Let's do some more. Let's do some more. Is it interesting to you? I know I've made this before, but if you're new on my channel, you know, maybe you're seeing this recipe for the, excuse me, for the first time. All right, gorgeous. This is so much fun. Get the kids in the kitchen to help you with this. They're gonna have the time of their life eating and making this. Now, once you get all your cookies nice and covered in the beautiful chocolate, we're gonna turn around and put it back into the refrigerator. And if you want them to set up really quick, do like I did and set them up in the freezer. I'm talking about super quick if you do it that way, okay? So we're on our last two here. My family's all excited. These are so delicious with a nice cold cup of milk with a little bit of ice in it. Are you kidding me? Look at this, how much fun. Cookies are done and I am so excited. Here's what it's gonna look like. I know, it's so special. So here's the other ones, all right? Now watch, I'm gonna cut this one so you can see what the inside is gonna look like when you bite it. I'm talking about, this is the ultimate peanut butter cookie. Gina Young style, let's taste, I'm tasting it now. Y'all. Take a bite. Could not resist taking that bite of that cookie. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on? Tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina Young's doing in this kitchen every single day. And Father, on today, we thank you for this beautiful dessert, your hedge of protection, your love, your mercy, your understanding. Father, we thank you for what you've done and what you're going to do in our lives. Amen.